This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Morning, guys. It is May 15th, 2019. This one here, I gotta go change a water heater in a couple of towns over. The power vent, it's got a power vent hooked up to it from what the guy's saying, so I'll go over there and give it the old swap out. Maybe try to get some shots if I can. Me and Miss Molly are working again, y'all. You love driving, yeah, you love driving. Oh, I know you love driving. Alright, try to get you some shots when I get there. Alright guys, I'm here. I got it shut off. I went out and got another tank. Oh, look at this pipe going on, a cattywampus. Really bad. So it's power vented. I'm gonna have to see if I got any power. I gotta take that switch off of there. Got the gas off. I got it drained. Take all this off. The other one should be about the same size. Alright, so I got power right there. I gotta find out what breaker it is. It's gonna be one of these 15s. I don't know which one, but it'll be one of them. Alright, enough to do my work. I took the door right off because it was in my way. Alright, so I got this one all apart. The threads aren't looking so hot there. All apart. The rollout switches, the 2 rollout switches were tied into this and the thermocouple. And there's a tap on the bottom here, gas tap. This was tied in. So when it runs, it turns that switch on, sends power to the power vent to kick it in. So let me get the other tank in here. And when I hook up the other one, I'll show you what I'm doing with the other one. I don't know how I'm going to hook it up. Might have to do it differently. I'm not sure yet. I'm going with a state water heater this time. Alright guys, up in the bottom in there's a tap. I'm going to take off. And then we put the new one up in there. There's a tapping in there. You gotta. Because what happens is when the gas runs, it'll put pressure down this line, like it's going, same pressure that's going inside. It's manifold pressure, and then I'll turn the power vent on. Flipping dog's been pissing down here or something. I don't know. It's smelling so kosher down here. It's smelling so kosher down here, mama. This is a field control. That's good right there. Alright guys, I got the gas all done. I came down, pinned with 2 elbows, and then down into the T. At least it's coming down straight now. I got power coming down on black, and when this thing fires up, it'll make that connection, and it'll send power up to run the power venter. I still have to hook up the rollout wires yet. I haven't done that yet. I'm gonna do that in a minute. 2 rollout switches go here. I reused the piping that was here, put a new vacuum breaker in it. A couple of 45s I gotta solder. And a couple here I have to solder them joints. I'll probably solder them joints, fill it with water, and then we'll do the rest of the wiring. I don't know if any of this is going to leak, we'll find out. Alright guys, so I mounted these 2 rollout switches up here. The wire comes down, I clipped it here, that's the way it was before. Now wire tied it going down. And I broke this red wire. This red wire went to this. So it goes through here, goes up through the rollout switches, and then back down, so if anything happens, it'll shut the pilot off. I got this on here, so I should be able to put the gas on. I should be able to make the pilot. I don't know which one it is, but it's one of these 15s and all that. And these rollout switches, they're you gotta manually reset them if they trip out. The pilot's over there, I got it lit. Give it a minute. When a light flashes green, we can release it and see if it stays on. I heard it click. Alright, that's flashing blue. It's a blue flasher. Let's see if it stays on. Alright, staying on. Oh, I got the power back on. I'm gonna turn this boiler back on too. So we fire it up. It should open this switch up, and it's in power to the power venter. We'll see if it works. I'm not gonna bleed the air yet, but there we go. There's water right to there. Yeah, I use the 3-inch pipe. It's only 40,000 BTUs. You could use 3-inch pipe on 40,000. Anything bigger than 40,000, you gotta go 4-inch. He's a leaker. It's squirting out all over the place. Just want to get the air out of it. Look at that. Spitting like Nancy Pelosi. Nasty. I don't see any leaks. I put 3 screws in each joint. Added this piece. We did this a little bit differently.